बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम व्यूअर्स, वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। आज की वीडियो में हम सितंबर के जितने भी एक्सपीरियंसेस हैं, एएफएनएस के जितने भी टेस्ट हुए हैं, उसमें जितने भी क्वेश्चंस जो हैं वो एक्सपीरियंस के तौर पर मेरे पास आए हैं, उन सारे क्वेश्चंस को जो है वो मैं आप तक पहुंचाऊंगी और डिस्कस करूंगी इंशाल्लाह। और इसमें आप वीडियो पूरी देखिएगा क्योंकि मैक्सिमम क्वेश्चंस के जो आंसर्स हैं वो वर्बली मैं बता दूँगी। उसके अलावा बाकी आपको नेट से सर्च करने पड़ेंगे। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट। How many triplets of centrioles are present in animals? 9 triplets होते हैं, आई थिंक सो। He can play the piano, इसमें दा को लगाना था। Quarter of 1/3 of 120. The factory of proteins is mitochondria. In base catalyzed nucleophilic addition reaction, the general reaction is। इसका मैं आपको बता देती हूँ कि किस तरह से आते हैं कि पहला रिएक्शन बेस और न्यूक्लियोफाइल में होता है, या फिर जो दूसरा प्रोडक्ट दिया जाता है न्यूक्लियोफाइल बेस और एक और जो रिएक्टेंट होता है उसके साथ पहला जो होता है। ये इस तरह का कुछ क्वेश्चन है। इसको जो है वो बुक में, एफएससी की बुक में मौजूद है। द न्यूक्लियोप्रोटीन्स कैरी, इसमें ये था कि न्यूक्लियस की जो डिटेल्स होती हैं वो कैरी करता है न्यूक्लियोप्रोटीन्स। क्यूब ऑफ 8 कॉक्साई सार्किना, शेप ऑफ ई कोलाई रॉड शेप। If first day of the month is Monday, what will be the 12th day? Definition of species. Synonym of succulent and surplus. Phenol is also known as carbolic acid. Test for identification of ketone 2,4-DNP. Which reaction distinguish alcohol and phenol? Phenol react with which to form ester? Smallpox virus is due to quantitative entity of first law of Newton. Acceleration. Virus have which characteristics that resembles it with living beings? Nucleon. The accumulation of lactic acid in muscles causes when AC generator coil stop, then what is effect on EMF? Electric potential. Electric field intensity is equal to speed of sound in air is 332 meter per second at 0 degrees Celsius, then speed at 100 degrees Celsius. Which hormone induce labor pain? Oxytocin. Endorphins are produced in unit of electric field intensity. Horizontal motion of projectile is constant. Zinc plus have which bonding? It's ionic. Bonding in diamond covalent. Sulfur has more MP than phosphorus because phenol MP melting point. Phenol production method also called Dawes process. The industrial method for preparation of phenol is, इसमें पहले हाइड्रोक्लोरिक बेंजाइल क्लोराइड बनता है, फिर उसको HCl के साथ जब रिएक्ट कराते हैं तो आई थिंक सो वो चेंज हो जाता है। यहाँ पे नेट पे मौजूद है इसका आंसर। OH bond breaks in esterification. Oxidation of secondary alcohols gives ketones. Ozonolysis of alkene gives ketone is detected by 2,4-DNP test. Fleming catalyst detect aldehyde is Fleming's catalyst to detect aldehyde is ATP is not coenzyme. Sun energy required to break 10 gram of glucose. Trypsinogen is activated by arginase pH. Fungi cell wall is made up of E. coli shape. Viruses are crystallized by HIV cause. HIV क्या कॉज करता है? एड्स. Tay sac disease caused by which organelle? Lysosomes. Detritus is inflammation of cornea, I think so. Projectile horizontal component is always constant. Projectile minimum at 90 degree. Maximum displacement from center is also called amplitude. Tension at the top of vertical string is 0 है या mg है. Time in pendulum is independent of wavelength. 1 hp is equal to 746 watt. Velocity per gradient. Acceleration को कहते हैं he is a stranger. इसमें a इंसर्ट करना था. I met him at once. at करना था Menkia. Synonym तेजाज. Synonym 1 radian is equal to 0.0 gy. और synonym of inquisite. Which of the following shows geometric isomerism? Magnetic flux unit. Which hybridization has trigonal planal geometry? sp, sp2, sp4, sp3 कौन सी वैल्यू होती है? Which is not function of lipids? Which is not the function of protein? Which metal react least with water? Ketone identification test. Which factor was kept constant for sound in Laplace correction? It was temperature. Who explained the valency of degenerated orbital? यहाँ पे एक लॉ था, माइंड में नहीं आ रहा. Which hormone is released when blood pressure decreases? Which is a steroid hormone? There were 25 butterflies. Ahmed catch 4 times more than Ammar. How many did Ammar catches? Synonym of tripling, antonym of a reapproachable molecule in one atom of hydrogen is equal to one molecule in one atom of sulfur. Which enzyme will active in your gut if you eat a lot of bread? I think it's Milase शायद. Ribulus bonds, which is constant in isochoric process volume. Accumulation of uric acid causes which disease? In cell division, movement of chromosome is caused by proteins or myofibrils. Cuprous chloride, which when react with alkyne forms which PPT. Chromosomes in herpes virus 146 हैं शायद. Acid catalyzed reaction of aldehyde and ketone is due to dispenser, meaning glycopyranose is polymer of. Equation of continuity falls with law of conservation of energy. Sweetest carbohydrate fructose. Hybridization of BE in BSL to SP. Hybridization of T. Which color has highest energy? Red, blue, violet, green. Violet, common component in all cell membranes. Phospholipids. Red color has longest wavelength and shortest frequency. Field strength is proportional to which stored electrical energy capacitor. Relative permittivity of H2O, it is around 80. Ethylene is sp2 hybridized lysosomes function. Ketone and aldehyde cannot be reduced by which reducing agent? UV series is Lyman series. Digestion of protein starts in stomach. Which of the following is not the role of bacteria in ecosystem? Leaching of gold. Which cartilage supports the connective tissue? Hyaline cartilage. सर्च कर लीजिएगा. At which week does the formation of organ start? 3rd to 8th week. Nitrogen react with Mg to form a neurotransmitter in an excitatory state, acetylcholine. Common function of flagella in prokaryotes and eukaryotes. Locomotion. Magnetism associated moving or static charges. Moving charges. When the coil of an AC generator stopped, what happened to EMF? Peripheral part of the cell is cell membrane. Best temperature for spermatogenesis 37 degrees Celsius. Glycogen is abundant in which part of the body? Liver and muscles. Joule of potential energy is what? 1 joule of potential energy is what? Illumination means lightning. Unit of electric field. Coincidentic means splitting of light into its component colors is called dispersion. Transformer is used to detect. Cannizaro's reaction is given by 2/33, 4/66, 6/99. Cannizaro's reaction is given by which is not a fibrous protein? Keratin or hemoglobin. If alcohol dehydrates at 140, what will be the product? What is the discontinuous rate in human blood type? Volt multiplied by ampere. Coax antonym. Secondary alcohol react with आगे दिया गया reagent दिया गया है coulombs charge in 30 second. What is current? 90 coulombs charge in 30 second. What is the current? Unit of heat 45 units of 65 units of heat. 45 units of work in expansion. What is the change in internal energy? The reaction of fructose with kinase to form. तो ये थे तमाम के तमाम क्वेश्चंस. आप इनको जो है वो सर्च करके जाएँ. इंशाल्लाह आपका टेस्ट जो है वो पास हो जाएगा. सो मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. तब तक के लिए अपना ख्याल रखिएगा. अल्लाह हाफ़िज़.